What if you didn't quit your job, but your employer made it impossible for you to stay? No termination letter, no official dismissal, just pressure, mistreatment, and silence. That situation may be constructive dismissal, and Jamaican workers need to know how to handle it. In this video, we are going to discuss how to handle constructive dismissal in Jamaica. What is constructive dismissal? Constructive dismissal happens when an employee resigns because the employer's actions leave them with no reasonable choice but to leave. In simple terms, you didn't want to quit, but the workplace became unbearable. Common examples of constructive dismissal. Constructive dismissal may occur if your employer drastically cuts your pay or hours without agreement, changes your job role unfairly, constantly harasses or humiliates you, creates a hostile or unsafe work environment, forces you to work unreasonable hours, ignores serious complaints, pressures you to resign. Remember, pressure is not resignation by choice. Not every bad job is constructive dismissal. The situation must be serious, ongoing, caused by the employer, so bad that a reasonable person could not stay. What steps do you take if you feel that constructive dismissal is happening at your workplace? Step 1. Do not resign immediately. Quitting too quickly can weaken your case. Before resigning, try to raise concerns in writing. Give the employer a chance to fix the issue. Keep your tone professional. Give notice of the problem, not silence. Step 2. Document everything. Evidence is critical. Keep records of emails and messages, changes to pay or duties, witnesses, dates and incidents, medical reports if stress or illness is involved. If it's not documented, it's harder to prove. Step 3. Seek advice before resigning. Before you resign, speak with your union if applicable. Get advice from the Ministry of Labor. Consult a labor law professional if possible. Resignation is a legal step. Treat it carefully. Step 4. If you resign, state why in writing. If you do resign, your letter should clearly state that you are resigning due to the employer's conduct, the specific issues that forced your decision. Avoid vague statements like personal reasons. Be clear. Be factual. Step 5. Report the matter. After resigning, you may still take action. You can file a complaint with the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. Request an investigation under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act. What can you claim? If constructive dismissal is proven, you may be entitled to outstanding wages, notice pay, severance pay if eligible, other remedies depending on the case. Constructive dismissal is treated like termination. Being forced out is not the same as quitting freely. If your employer's actions leave you no reasonable choice but to resign, you may still have rights, but how you handle it matters. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers understand their rights before walking away from a toxic workplace. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights